Okay, last card. Last card. Come on. Woo! Uri, let's go, bro. Hosting. All right, y'all. Bless, bless. All right, we're about to kick it off right now. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Bless, bless, bless. Everybody, let me get some positive vibes. Here we go. First one. Sunvine. Oh, Galaxy Eyes? Nice. Splash. Metaphos. Another one. Cool. I've never opened this pack, so I'm not actually 100% sure. Everything I know, there's e-telly in this set, so that's a pretty cool reprint. All right, what do we got in here? More Sun stuff. Dragoonity Draft. That's pretty cool. Heretic. Time Thief. Dragoonity Remix. Oh, that's cool. I didn't realize all the reprints in this thing was so good. How's everybody's day been, though? Happy, what is it, Tuesday? Happy Tuesday. As everybody watches me struggle to open these packs up. All right, let's go. Let's go. Photon Thrasher, that's a cool reprint. Metaphos. More Metaphos. Oh, Drama Country. Cool. Armed Dragon. All right. These packs look amazing. Like, why didn't Konami, like, come up with nice packs like this? It looks incredible. All right, come on. Come on, Dark Magician. Let's go, let's go. And, yeah, happy 420 to everybody. Absolutely. Let's see. Heretic. That's cool. I like that one. More Sunvine. Time Thief. Oh, nice. That's pretty lit. Vampires. Cool. All right. We're about, I think that was 4 so far. We still got plenty of more to open. Look at these. Come on, dude. Konami. You should have been doing packs like these earlier. These are gorgeous. Appreciate everybody joining up. How y'all doing? Doing something different today, opening up some Yu-Gi-Oh packs. If y'all were Yu-Gi-Oh fans, even as kids, like this is nostalgic right here. We're looking to pull a Ghost Rare, which is a very rare type of card, if anybody doesn't know. Very, very expensive, so we're hoping for it, excuse me. Cosmos, more Sunseed, more Galaxy Eyes, Metaphos, Heretic Seal of Creation. These are beautiful reprints. I'm loving the reprints in these. Here we go. Another one. Another one. Oh, cool. That's a good reprint. Dope. Mist Valley Rock. More Metaphors. Time Thief. Starry Night Sky. Let's see. Doing me feed. Oh, this is. Oh, that's pretty cool. Lit. All right, let's keep moving. Come on, Dark Magician. Let's go. Time Thief. More Time Thief stuff. A lot of Time Thief printings. This Sun stuff, is this a new archetype in this set? It's pretty dope. Oh wow. Value or what? Gene. Yeah, for real? Oh, wow. 25. Let's go. We're making money. Dragoonity. Raid Raptor. That's a cool reprint. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, we're about halfway through these. We still got 8 more. Let's go. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. 420 archetype. Let's go. Perfect. Come on. Herratic. Metaphose Fusion. Oh, dope. That's a good reprint. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like it. Mass Change. Nice. Good old heroes. Beautiful. Madolce. I've never... Is this a new link? Is that a new link, yo? Gene, thank you for the stars, brother. That's beautiful. Appreciate you. Dragoonity Knight. Cool, cool. All right. Let's get some luck. Let's get some luck, y'all. Let me get some good vibes. Let's go. We got some goodies in here. Thank you for the stars. Wonderful, brother. Pushing forward here. Gear Town? Oh, wow. Cool. Got to pay respects to those old school anime archetypes, bro. Ancient Gears, bro. Dope. Metaphose. More Herratic Seal. More Herratic Seal. And Galaxy Eyes. What was the card that was y'all were saying was 20, 25 bucks? We're slapping it. You want me to slap it? This has been a bad girl right here. Getting this bad boy open. Come on. Thank you for the stars, brother. Hector, let's go. That's very nice of you. Getting a lot of love today. And let me know in the comments if y'all want to see more of this. This is pretty exciting. Love pack openings. Starry Night. More Sunvine. Tackle Crusader. Awesome. Good old Adamantipator's. Dude, I kind of like low-key missed that deck. I was running that deck for like a long time. Tackle Crusader. Beautiful. Buster Dragon. I've never seen this. The artwork on that's amazing. Look at that bad boy. Let's have a look real quick. Nice. Time Thief Double Barrel. All right, 5 more, guys. 5 more. And give it a little spanking. Maybe that'll... Let's go. Smoke, thanks for the stars, man. 235 stars. He's on a 2-week streak. You're a great guy, bro. And also, he is also the leader of the month in stars, man. So that goes up to you. You're the real MVP, brother. Thank you for that. Everybody show Smoke some love for all that. Moving forward. Another rock. The Monarchs are up. Oh, dope. Man, the artwork on these are just gorgeous. More sun. XYZ Burst. Another Herratic Seal. All right, 4 more to go. 4 more to go. Let's get some love, y'all. All right. Come on. Let's get it. Update Jammer. Dope. Dope, dope. Ooh. Let's go. Another one of those bad boys. God, this is such an old card. Any of you old school Yu-Gi-Oh players remember that card? Awesome. Brings back memories. More Cosmos? Cool. Salvage. Oh, that's a good reprint. Like it. And another Starry Night. Cool. Oh, we need this ghost, bro. We need this ghost. We got a lot of viewers, man. I appreciate everybody sticking around for this. This is awesome. I gotta definitely do these more often then. Seems like everybody's sticking around and enjoying it. Thank you everybody who's new joining up here on Twitch. What up, what up? Still pushing forward on this thing. Another Heretic. God, I love this artwork. Time Thief Redoer. Gosh. Oh. Danger Thunderbird got a reprint. That's good. That needed. I think it only had like one other printing. Am I right? Been a minute. Beautiful reprint. Metaphors and Starry Night. Cool. All right, two more. Let's go, guys. We need it. Which one's it gonna be? We need a ghost. We need a ghost. Which one am I opening up first? Am I doing Firewall or Blackluster Soldier? Which one y'all want to see? Come on. Ooh. Mom, thanks for the stars. Appreciate that. All right, we're going to do Firewall. Let's go. Appreciate all the love between Facebook and Twitch here. All right, let's go. Let's go. Thank y'all for bearing with me, watching me struggle opening these packs. I'm not 2 years old, I swear. Metaphors. Combination. Ojama Country. The Madolce Link. Mass Change 2. Awesome. That's another one that doesn't have a lot of printing, so good to see that. Another Starry Night. All right, last one. Last one. Come on. Trying to make $700 here. Wish me luck, everybody. Let me get some positive vibes. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on. Let's go. Oh, Dark Requiem got a printing in this. I'm looking for the ultimate rare. If anybody's got one for sale, paying cash on that bad boy. Oh, Tin Can. Cool. Time Thief Hack. Cool. Another Heretic. Okay, last card. Last card. Come on. And have y'all ever smelled these, by the way? Yu-Gi-Oh cards just smell amazing. Gotta give it a try. All right. That's all good. I had fun opening these packs. Hopefully I made a little bit of cashola on that. Let me know in the comments what some of the more valuable cards are in this thing. I feel like some of these are pretty decent. But hey, that was fun. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Can try and do more of these more often if everybody's about it. Remus, right. Beautiful. Well, all right, everybody. I know that was a quick one, but thank y'all for sticking around for this opening. I hope y'all had fun. I had fun. So, thank y'all for sticking around. We'll try and do another pack opening soon. Appreciate y'all sticking around. I'm going to try and buy another set because I really want to pull this Ghost Rare. So, peace, y'all. We'll catch you later.